I am Rankine FA. Welcome to the continuation of our video solution series for Mathematics 1, Mathematics 2, and beyond. In this presentation, we'll be looking at the cosine ratio, find that angle, and the Georgia performance standards that will be driving our discussions are MM2, G2.A, B, and C. And the essential questions are: how can you use the inverse cosine ratio to find the angle for a right triangle? And how can you use the inverse cosine ratio to solve real-life problems? Now, this is brought to you by Rankine FA at Rankine's Online School and YouTube for Schools. Now, let's take an example. Here, we have a right triangle with the adjacent is 27 and the hypotenuse is 44. The angle is missing. The missing angle is at A. The symbol we're using here is alpha. It could be X or theta. Now, we're going to use the cosine ratio. Cosine of alpha is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. The cosine of alpha is equal to 27 divided by 44. Now, since the angle is missing, we're going to use the inverse cosine ratio. Okay? So, we get alpha is equal to cos inverse 27 divided by 44 equal to cos inverse 0.6136 gives alpha equal to 52.1471, 52.15 degrees approximately. Get it? Good. Now let's take another one. Quickly, you need to be able to spot the opposite side. Then you can locate your adjacent side, and the hypotenuse, of course, is across from the right angle. So here, the adjacent is 53. The hypotenuse is 65. Once again, we're going to use the cosine ratio. So the cosine of alpha is equal to 53 divided by 65. And then, since the angle is missing, we're going to use the inverse cosine ratio. Gives alpha is equal to cos inverse 53 divided by 65 equal to cos inverse 0.8154. Alpha is equal to 35.3746, approximately 35.37 degrees. Did you get that? Good. Now, this brings us to our now try these questions. These are three questions that were designed to provide you with adequate practice, because the only way to make perfect is by practice. You need to practice these questions so that you can develop mastery of the topic. You can feel free to submit the answers to these questions to your teacher, or you can submit them to us here at Rankine's Online School. We'll be happy to hear from you. Additionally, remember to use Study Island and EOCT Test Prep every day. Make it a habit to practice and improve your study skills by using Study Island and EOCT Test Prep every day. Continue to watch this site for more instructional videos on Rankine's Online School and YouTube for Schools. I hope that this presentation was of some benefit to you, and I look forward to your comments. You can feel free to drop us a comment on our website, Rankine's Online School. Coming from yours truly, Rankine FA, saying thank you and goodbye.